Snuff, snuff. Oh. Hey, people of the earth! Welcome to the Nat Show. Oh, yeah. Well, today we have our first guest. Amanda! Well, sorry. Yeah, now you do. Okay, yeah. So, we're going to have a lot of exciting things today. Like, we're going to do something never done in history. Ooh, I bet you haven't done it. Hey, we're going to go skydiving in a house. Oh, yeah. Amanda, do you want to say anything to the people before something might happen to us?
Well, it's so dangerous. It's about 3 feet off the ground, so I'm very scared.
Very nervous. I know. Have you done it before?
No!
I thought you did, because I haven't.
Well, maybe just like once or 5 times.
Alright, you know what? Let's go try this
Do
out.
it again!
So we're gonna go try this out. Alright, ready, Amanda?
It's raining soon. It's raining.
It's sunny. The people see it's sunny.
Do you hear the rain? Do you hear the rain?
Okay. Oh, my bad. I forgot. It can rain. Did you know it can rain when it's sunny out? I knew. Alright. Well, anyway, we're going skydiving. Ready? Let's go, Amanda. We're in the plane. We're in the plane. Alright, ready? We're going in 3, 2, 1.
And we're alive.
That was fun! We're alive! Come on. I know. Has never been done before in actual history, people. So, I suggest you don't try this at home. Don't try it.
Hasta la pasta, baby.
Alright. For now, peace out, people!